Class 10. Today I will start the exercise on median. Okay. Now 26.2 exercise. Selling price, sum number 1. Selling price for the last week were 107, 201, 92, 52, 113, 75, 195. Okay, selling price for the last week, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days selling price given here. We have to find the median of this selling price. Okay, so let us arrange. What did I say in last video when I have already discussed about how to find the median with ungrouped data and the grouped data. Now this is the ungrouped data. We know the frequency is not there. Now let us arrange all the terms in ascending order first. So arrange in ascending order. Arrange in ascending order. So let us write with 52. Okay, at first 52, then it comes 75, next 92, next 107, next 113, next 195, next 201. Okay, now how many values are there? There are n is equal to 7 values. Okay, then what is median? Median is equals to n plus, since n is equal to 7 and this is odd number. Okay, so median will be n plus 1 by 12th observation. Got it? Now n plus 1 means 7 plus 1, that means 8. So 7 plus 1 by 12th observation. Okay, 7 plus 1 means 8. So 8 by 2 equals to 4th observation. Got it? Now this is 4th observation discounted. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th observation is what? 107. 107 is the 4th observation. So answer will be 107 as median. Answer will be 107 as median. Next, sum number 3. Marks obtained by 14 students are 50, 42, starts with 42, 51, 42, 51, 56, 45, 62, 59, 50, 52, 55, 64. These are the marks. 45, 54, 58, 60. Find the median of obtaining marks. So let us arrange all the data in ascending order. So what we will write? 42, then we will write 45. So arrange all the data in ascending order at first. So ascending order, so we will start from 42, then 45, then again 45, then 50, then 51, 52, 54, 55, 56, 58, 59, 60, 62 and then 64. Very poor marks. Now these are how many values are there? How many values? I mean, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 values. So n is equal to 14. N is equal to 14. 14 is even number. So what is the rule for even number? Even number means we have to find the median. Median for even number, n by 12th observation, that means 14 by 12th observation, it comes 7. 14 by 2 means 7th observation, and 14 by 2 plus n by 12th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So 7th plus 8th observation. 7th plus 8th observation whole divided by 2. 7th observation is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th observation is 54 and 8th observation is 55. Okay, so let us add these two. 54 plus 55 divided by 2. So it's coming 109 by 2. So it will be 54.5. This will be the answer. Okay, so this is the answer for sum number 3. The median is 54.5. Okay, next sum number 5. You let me write the question with red pen, otherwise it's not working well. Okay, find the median of the weight from the following frequency distribution table. Okay, weight given and number of students given. So let us write weight in the first column, frequency in the second column, and cumulative frequency. Already I have said where to find cumulative frequency, the third column. See, this is weight. Weight is given in kg. Number of students. Say this is F. To write this is as F. This is cumulative frequency. So we can write CF. Just write CF. What are the weights given? 43. Next 44. Next 45. Next 46. Next 47. 48. 49. 50. Number of students, that means frequency given here. Frequency is 4. Next is 6. Next 8. Next 14. Next 12. Next 10. 49 frequency is 11, and for 50 frequency is 5. Okay, let us find the cumulative frequency, that means the running frequency. Already I have explained the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is nothing but the running frequency. So 43 kg weight. How many students are there in the class with 43 kg weights? There are 4 students in the class, those who have 43 kg weights. So cumulative frequency also will be running frequency as it is. So it will be again 4. Okay, and 44 kg, those who are 44 kg, that means 43 kg also including here. Okay, so that frequency is 6 given. That frequency, running frequency will be 4 plus 6. So it will be 10. Similarly, we have to find 10 plus 8, 18 for the next 32, next 44. Okay. Okay, next is 54. 54 plus 11, it's coming 65. 65 plus 5, that is coming 70. Let us add this. So this add, I think this will be 70. So this is also n is equal to 70. As n is equal to 70, which is even number, so what will be the median? Group formation is not done here, so we will not follow that formula L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into A. This formula we will not use right now, as only the weight is given. This we will consider as the variables. Okay, so n is equal to this, so what will be the median? Median will be 70. N is given, so n by 2th observation, that means 70 by 2th observation is 35th. Okay, plus n by 2 plus 1, so 35, 35th observation plus 36th observation. Place is not there, so I am writing like this, divided by 2. Now 35th and 36th observation. Look at this. cumulative column. This is 4, this is 10, this is 80. We have to find out 35th observation. So 4, 10, 18, 32 we cannot take. So after 32, 44 is there. So we will look on this only. So what is the corresponding value? Corresponding value is 47. So 35th observation we will take as 47. Similarly, as 36th observation again we will take as this number. Why? Because 35th and 36th observation corresponding values are same, that is 47. We can